How to fix Rust crashing when joining server. Now in this video, I'll show you couples of troubleshooting steps for you to be able to bypass these kinds of issue on Rust. So the very main thing that you want to have to do is make sure that your internet connection is stable because this could be a factor while you're encountering those. Second is just go directly into this Windows search and then just simply type in update and then choose on check for updates. This could also be a factor while you're encountering that kind of problem because the operating system that you're using is outdated. Make sure that you are updating it time to time, or if there are any available updates, make sure to run and install them. Next is to lower down the graphics of the game itself. Now next is go into display settings and then click on about and then access device manager. And here, just simply look for the driver that you're using and make sure that your drivers are updated. And that's it. Those are the things that you can do for you to fix Rust crashing when joining server.